Need to know how to fix your references page? Let me show you how to get your citations up to the APA formatting standards. For today's example reference page, I have used both books and online academic journals as sources. First, let's change everything to a matching font and size. APA prefers a sans serif font. We'll use font Times New Roman at a size of 12. Make sure you use the same font here as you use throughout the entirety of your paper. To change the font, highlight all of the text using your mouse or trackpad from the top to the bottom of the page. Then, on the Home tab in Microsoft Word, you'll see a drop-down menu at the top of the Font section. If it is not currently set to Times New Roman or is blank, please click the down arrow and scroll down to find and select Times New Roman. With the text still highlighted, set your font size, which is next to the font name on your font toolbar on Microsoft Word, by clicking the down arrow and scrolling to 12. Click on 12. Now, all of the text should be the same font and size. The next thing we are going to do is to make sure that the line spacing and indentations for this document meet the APA standard. So, make sure all of your citations are highlighted before continuing. Click the small button to the right of the word paragraph on the toolbar. Under the indentation section of the pop-up, please select Hanging from the special category. Next, go to the spacing section of the pop-up and set it before and after to 0 points, using the down and up cursors to get there. Where it says line spacing, select Double and click OK to finalize. Remove all of the spaces between citations that existed in your original document. According to APA formatting standards, your entire paper must have a page header with page numbers on each page. So if you haven't already done so, let me quickly explain how to do that. To add a page header, click the Insert tab and go to the Header and Footer part of the Insert toolbar. Click on Header and scroll down to Ion Light from the list of options. Now you are almost done. Citations should be in alphabetical order by the last name of the author. Looking at our list, we see that Flederman is below Medizada, so that needs to change. To fix this, highlight the Flederman citation in its entirety. Then hold down the Control and C buttons at the same time, which copies the text for you. Click out of the highlighted area and then place your cursor above Medizada and press buttons Ctrl and V at the same time to paste the Flederman citation into that location. Once you've done that successfully, delete the original Flederman citation that remains below the Medizada citation by highlighting the citation text and hitting the backspace on your keyboard. Your citation page is looking better. Is the information in your citations in the correct APA order? Still not sure about your references page or formatting the entirety of your paper? Go to Purdue's online writing lab, the OWL, for more guidance and examples. Have a wonderful day.